Here are 3 things I would not do at work as an employee, coming from my perspective as an employment law attorney. First, I would not file a complaint with HR if I was not prepared for that information to be passed on to upper management. HR, of course, looks out for the best interests of the company, and when an HR makes an internal complaint, particularly a serious one, HR will often pass that information along to upper management. While some employees think that complaint is confidential between them and HR, in most cases it is not. Second, if HR or my supervisor approached me and said that there was a likelihood that I was going to be fired and they would give me the option to resign, I would respectfully decline. From my perspective, I would rather the company end my employment than I resign, because I will have a greater likelihood of getting unemployment benefits. I may get a severance offer if the company has a policy, and to the extent I have any legal claims against the company, I'm in a better position if I'm fired rather than I resign. And while there are certain unique situations where an employee may want to resign, for example, if they have licensing issues, in most cases, in my opinion, I think it's better to be fired. And third, if I were pulled into a meeting by HR or my supervisor and fired, I would not just sit there. I would actually ask questions. I would want to know why I'm being fired, whether I'm being offered severance, and when my benefits end. Most employees are so shocked when they're fired that they just sit there stunned and don't ask any questions. I think it makes sense to take advantage of that time and get information.